Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today we will be discussing about the difference between investment and expense. So before starting this video, let me tell you one thing. This is one of my favorite topic on which that I wanted to make video. So without any delay, let's get started. Many people often get confused between these two terms and end up making financial decisions that are not in their best interest. In this video, we will explain what an investment is and what an expense is, and also how they are differ. So let's start by defining what investment and expense mean. An investment is something that you purchase with the expectation that it will generate income or appreciate in value over the time. On the other hand, an expense is something that you purchase that does not generate income or appreciate in value over the time. So let's take an example to make it easier to understand. Suppose you buy a house to live in, and if you plan to sell the house for a higher price in the future, it is an investment. However, if you are buying the house purely for your own comfort and enjoyment, it is an expense. Another example can be a car. If you buy a car to use for a ride-hailing service, it is an investment because it generates income in the future. However, if you buy a car just for your personal use, it is an expense because it does not generate any income in the future. Now let's talk about the benefit of the investment and expense. Investment can provide you with a passive source of income and long-term financial security. They can also help you to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. On the other hand, expense can provide you with immediate gratification and satisfaction. However, they don't offer any financial returns or benefit in the long term. It is very essential to understand the difference between investment and expense so that you can make informed financial decisions in the long term. If you spend money on expense, you should ensure that they align with your values and goals. If you decide to invest, you should consider the potential returns and risks involved. To sum it up, an investment is something that generates income or appreciate in value, while an expense is something that does not generate any income or appreciate in value. On the other hand, an expense is something that you purchase that does not generate income or appreciate in value over the time. Investment can provide long-term financial security, while expense offer immediate gratification and satisfaction. It is very crucial to understand the difference between two and make informed financial decisions. So that's all for this video. I think this video is very short. Don't worry, I'll make long videos in future. My name is Pankaj Prajapati. If you have any question, let me know in the comments, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video.